Hello guys, under the MEP quantity surveying sector, there is one of the high cost item. Yes, that is motor control center panel. So through this session, we are going to discuss a lot of things regarding this motor control center panels, drawing analysis, quantitative of techniques and usages, types. So very carefully listen until end of this session. Alright guys, so before continue this session, we recently launched a new course. Yes, that is EOT and claims management under the 6 steps. So through this course, you can easily explore the EOT and delay analysis for the construction project with the real-time practices and templates. So just visit our official website managingqs.com and explore more this EOT and claims management course. Alright guys, so if you notice in this motor control center panels in the BOQ, it's a rate, so it's a look like it's a high cost components. So we have to very carefully take these quantities from the drawing. Right, you can see the motor control center, supply and installation and connect. MCC panels, MCC mean motor control center panels, including all the circuit breakers and all necessary accessories are required to fix the board, all accordance with the drawing and specification. Right, you can see there's a name based on the drawings. So if you notice some panels, it's the name, it's look like EMCC. Some panels it's look like MCC something. So E mean electric motor control center panels and MCC mean just a motor control center. Okay, so this is the main difference for this EMCC and MCC. You can see the real time, the MCC control panel, it's fixing on site the real time picture. You can see. And also the motor control center panels you can only find out through this electrical distribution, this schematic diagram. And you can see there's a ESMTB. ESMTB mean electrical sub-main distribution board. So the power is distributed from sub-main distribution board to the motor control panels. So there's two panels, electric motor control center panels for ground level 1 and also the electric motor control center panels, the ground floor level number 2. And special another thing, TCL and MTL. So it is also one of considered factor. TCL mean total connected load 6 kilowatt, MTL mean maximum demand load 6 kilowatt. So if you see this the number 2 motor control center panel, this TCL and MTL it's totally different. This one is the 34. So that's why MCC1 and MCC2 the rate is totally different. So we have to very carefully aware in this. So some people during the quantity takeoff they took this MCC1 and MCC2 as the same category. So it is a wrong practice. So we have to calculate. So we have to take the quantities separately because it's TCL and MTL is totally different. Right. So let's discuss some key functions for this motor control center panels. The main function of the motor control center panels is centralize, control and protect multiple electric motors in the industrial and commercial setups. And also it provides the structured way to distribute the power and automate motor operation efficiency. So these are the very important key function for this MCC panels. Now you can see some heavy motor operation for some industrial purposes. So the MCC panels it's help to centralize this motor operation in the one point. So you can see some the example pictures for the heavy motor operations. Alright guys, hopefully you understand the motor control center panels, the key function and how we can take this quantity from the drawing and other things. So keep in touch for more updates and more videos in the future.